Hello and welcome to a slightly different Gadget Joe. This one is a little bit of a notification to just let you know that there's going to be no upload this Sunday, well apart from this one. That is because, as you can see, the garden is currently being done. I've got a large fence in the way to stop the dog from getting to it, but the problem being is that I can't get to it myself. The place where all the grass is going to be laid and done has left a rather large space at the front of the workshop, which you can't really see right now, and it's made me pretty much unable to get access to it properly. So I have got plenty of content coming. I've got lots, actually really exciting stuff coming. I've got two new Antec Core HS handhelds. I've got the white one and I've also got a black one now that I can do a comparison, not obviously with the specs, but with regards to the actual colours, to see what options are available. I'm very excited to get our hands on with that device and then obviously do a video, so that will be coming soon. I've also got a full build in the Thermaltake Tower 300, a white one, that's going to be vertically mounted. And that's going to be going to my wife Kerry. That's going to be her PC. I've also got the Height Y70 Touch, the 4K one with a little display on the front. I've got that to review. I've also got a DJI Mini 3 to review. A little bit dubious on that one, not dubious but quite intimidating flying a drone. The last time I flew a drone, I flew it into a goalpost. And yeah, so there's plenty coming, lots of exciting stuff coming. So normal service will resume next week. There's going to be multiple uploads as well, so watch out for those, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you, and we will see you again soon. Bye.